Okay, we're going to solve a quadratic equation from standard to vertex form. So we need to get hk, which is the vertex. H is simple. We just take the formula. H is equal to negative b over 2a, where b is negative 10 and a is 1. And when we plug that into the formula, we get h is equal to 5. And so then what we need to do is take our original function and evaluate it at 5 to find out what the k value is. So what we do is we say f of 5 is equal to 5 squared minus 10 times 5. And so we get 25 minus 50, which gives us negative 25. And so our k value is going to be negative 25. Now the only thing left that we need to do is kind of calculate what the a value is. But that's kind of easy to do because we see that the original function, the leading coefficient, is 1. In other words, y equals 1x squared. Now the only way you can get an x squared is if a is equal to 1. So when we go to write our vertex form of this quadratic equation, what we would need to do is keep in mind that a is equal to 1. Sometimes we have to have a point on the line. So let's remember what the vertex form is. It's y equals a times x minus h, all that quantity squared, plus k. So when you have h and k, you're almost done. We just need to find out a. Well, a is equal to 1 because that's the only way we can have a leading coefficient of 1. That's the only way we can get 1x squared. So I'm not going to plug in the 1. We just know that it goes there. So if I plug in h and k, I should get my equation. In other words, y equals x minus 5 squared minus 25 is the same as y equals x squared minus 10x.